Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini espresso machine. Now for this machine we just had to replace some of the gaskets around the entire machine and deep clean the group head. This group head was really dirty, had a lot of coffee build-up, so we were able to clean all around it and make sure it was nice and clean. We also cleaned the portafilter and we also resurfaced the steamer. We had to disassemble all these and deep clean everything and replace the gaskets of the steamer. Right now the steamer does not leak or anything, as you can see, otherwise you will have condensation in the mirror here. Working perfectly, no leaking. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. I hope I using the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. After that we're gonna be using the steamer. And as you can see, I use a very fine grind on this machine. It's going to slowly drip out from the portafilter. You're gonna have coffee barely dripping this time. I should have tempered a bit less harder or maybe use a much coarser grind for this machine. I'm using the grind that we use for our Lily Bianca, so it's a bit on the finer side. As the shot starts to channel through the portafilter, we're gonna see an increase of flow coming out to the portafilter as well, to the spouts, and hopefully we can see a bit of crema. We're gonna stop it right here, and let's do that again with a much coarser grind. Okay, welcome back. Let's do that again with a much coarser grind and a little bit less coffee. As you can see, it's a much better shot coming out of the machine. Still is on the final grind. I could do a little bit more coarser to get that perfect flow coming out through the spouts. Even so, we're still going to get a good crema, and we can stop right here. Perfect. As you can see, nice little layer of crema, much faster flow. Good shot of espresso. Steamer of this machine, as you can see, is amazing. Excellent pressure coming out of the one. Really working great. And as I said before, no leaking and not leaking any steam or anything from underneath. There you go. And also it's much smoother to join this now. So there you have it, Pasquini working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.